Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Explorer headlight bulb. First, let's prepare by gathering a few essential items. You'll need a new headlight bulb, which you can find at any auto parts store, and a pair of clean gloves. Always make sure your vehicle is turned off and the engine has cooled down before you begin. It's often a good idea to replace both headlight bulbs at the same time for balanced illumination. Now let's get to the bulb itself. Pop open your Ford Explorer's hood and look behind the headlight assembly. You'll likely see a protective cover or a rubber boot. Gently remove this to expose the bulb. Next, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its release tab and pulling it straight off. This gives you clear access to the old bulb. With the connector off, it's time to remove the old bulb. Twist it counterclockwise about 1/4 turn and carefully pull it straight out. When handling your new bulb, always hold it by its plastic base. Never touch the glass, as oils from your skin can significantly shorten its lifespan. Now, insert the new bulb into the housing, aligning the tabs, and twist it clockwise to lock it firmly in place. Almost done. Reconnect the electrical harness to your brand new bulb, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Then, put back any protective covers or rubber boots you removed earlier, making sure they are properly sealed. Finally, hop back into your Ford Explorer, turn on your headlights, and check both low and high beams to confirm your new bulb is working perfectly. You've successfully changed your headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.